Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss an important goal at growth topic, which is adding new keyword opportunities. Most advertisers start a campaign with a list of keywords they believe customer will search. But real customers do not always use the exact word we expected. They describe their problem, urgent needs, desired result, and service in different ways. As the campaign runs, the search term report may show valuable demand that is not well controlled by the current keyword. Some searchers may need a new keyword, a focus ad group, a separate campaign, or a better landing page. Other searchers may need more review or a negative keyword. Keyword growth is not about adding every search item. This is about finding strong customer demand and giving it the right ad journey. In this presentation, we will learn what a keyword opportunity is, how to find one, how to check its value, which mistake to avoid, and how to choose keyword using intent, lead quality, and profit. Let's begin with why your current keyword list may be missing valuable searches. And this is my slide one. Here is the topic. Your campaign may be missing profitable searches. Imagine an HVAC company running ad AC repair campaign. The advertiser target AC repair, air conditioner repair, and AC technician near me. This keyword may bring relevant traffic, but customer can describe the same problem in another way. For example, AC blowing warm air, AC conditioner not turning on, AC making a strange noise, emergency cooling repair, or same AC technician. Some of these searches may not be inside the first keyword plan, but they may appear often inside the search terms report. That means the campaign is already showing us new customer demand. If the advertiser ignores these searches, the business may miss the chance to write more relevant ad, create better page content, separate valuable service themes, and control spending more clearly. For example, AC blowing warm air may enter through the broad keyword AC repair. The current ad may say professional HVAC service, but a clear message could say AC blowing warm air. Get same day AC repair. Customer language may give us a stronger ad angle than the first keyword is. Regular review may reveal problem based searches, urgent searches, high value searches, local words, and strong buying signals. So, when you create keyword list, do you think the list is complete or do you use real search data to improve it? Strong campaign keep learning from customer searches. New growth idea may already exist inside your search data before you add them as keyword. Now let's define a real keyword opportunity. So what is a new keyword opportunity? A keyword opportunity is a useful customer search theme that need better control inside the account. It should normally meet a few conditions. First, it must match a service the business offer. Second, the searcher should show buying or service intent. Third, the current structure should not control it well. And fourth, adding the keyword should improve targeting, reporting, ad relevance, landing page match, or business decision. Let's compare two searches. The first is plumber. This is very broad. It may mean emergency plumbing, repair, installation, job, training, or research. The second is brushed by repair near me. The search is more specific. It shows the customer problem, the service they need, local intent, and possibility urgency. The advertiser may add it as a keyword, place it an emergency plumbing ad group, write brushed by headline, and send the visitor to an emergency page. A keyword opportunity is not only a new phrase in a report, it is useful demand that can benefit from a clear ad journey. A search term may become a keyword in an existing ad group, a new ad group theme, a separate campaign, a landing page topic, or a term to monitor. A keyword opportunity is valuable customer demand that need more direct control. Now let's see how new keyword can support growth. So why new keyword opportunities matter? The first benefit is reaching more qualified searches. Customer may use high intent phrases that are not targeted with enough control, adding the right keyword that can help more relevant demand. The second benefit is better ad relevance. When a useful search theme its own keyword or ad group, The ad can match the service, customer problem, main benefit, and CTA. The third benefit is learning customer language. Search terms show how people describe their problem, need, urgency, and buying concern. That language can improve headline, description, landing pages, and offer. The fourth benefit is better scaling. Many advertisers try to grow only by increasing the budget. But if keyword coverage is weak, more budget may bring more of the same traffic. Adding strong keyword ideas can move the campaign into better demand. The fifth benefit is separating high value service. For example, a plumbing company may find many searches for soil and repair. The search volume may be lower than general plumbing, but the average job value may be much higher. That search team may need its own keyword, focus ad copy, a special inspection offer, and a dedicated landing page. It may later need a separate campaign with its own budget and target. Judge a keyword opportunity by business value, not search volume alone. A lower volume keyword may be more valuable when it produces better leads, higher close rate, or larger jobs. New keyword can support growth when they bring stronger customer demand, not just more traffic. Let's apply this process to an HBAC campaign. Okay. Imagine a local HBC company reviewing search terms from an ACPR campaign. The advertiser finds several new search patterns. The first search is same day repair. This search shows a clear service, strong urgency, and buying intent. The customer likely wants a technician quickly, so decision you can add as a keyword. It may say inside the AC repair ad group. If the ad and page supports same day service, then you can add it. The next search is AC blowing warm air. This is a problem based search. The customer does not use the exact service name, but the problem may need AC repair. You can take it as a keyword. Review lead quality, search volume, and whether the term create a real servicing call. The third search is emergency AC technician. This shows urgent repair intent. If the account has an emergency HVAC ad group, add it there. So also you can add to the emergency ad group. The customer should see fast help messages, clear availability, and call focus page. The fourth search is commercial AC repair. This may be valuable, but it is different common customer type. Commercial customer may need different proof, offer, service, contract, and a different page. So you can create a new ad group or separate campaign. The final search is DIY AC troubleshooting. The person wants instruction, not professional service, so you can exclude it. So every search does not get the same action. The choice are add, test, structure, or exclude. The correct decision depend on search intent, service fit, customer value, and the journey need to convert the search. Place a valuable keyword where it can receive the right ad, the right place, and the right CTA. Keyword growth become risky when terms are added without proper review. So this is my slide 5. Here I describe about common mistake keyword growth or common keyword growth mistake. Sorry. The first mistake is adding every search term that look relevant. A search may be related to the industry, but it still have weak buying intent, little value, or no clear business use. The second mistake is adding small word changes. For example, AC repair near me, AC repairs near me, nearby AC repair, and local AC repair service. This search may belong to the same intent theme. Adding every version can create clutter, overlap, and unclear reports. The third mistake is ignoring lead quality. A term may create click and conversion, but the lead may be outside the service area. Poor fits focus only on low price or unlikely to buy. The fourth mistake is using the wrong ad group. For example, commercial AC repair is added to a residential ad group. The search may be useful, but the customer sees homeowner message, residential reviews, and the wrong page. The fifth mistake is trusting search volume alone. A high volume keyword is not always profitable. More customer may also bring more competition, broader intent, weaker leads, and higher cost. The sixth mistake is adding keyword without matching ads or pages. If the keyword represents a new service, problem, offer, or customer type, the journey may need to change. So more keyword can create more work without creating more profit. So add a keyword only when it improve control relevance or business value. Now let's build a safe keyword growth process. So here is the slide of best practice for adding new keyword. The first step is review the search term report. Look for the searches that show clear service intent, repeated demand, conversion, or strong lead potential. The second step is review larger search themes. Search term insight can show larger search groups and growing demand patterns that may not be clear from single search rows. The third step is check the business fit. Ask, does the business offer the service? Can the team serve this customer? Or is the location covered? Does the team have capacity? Is the customer value worth it? And the fourth step is check the current keyword coverage before adding a keyword. Ask, is this intent already covered? Will the new keyword give better control or only copy the current structure? The fifth step is choose a suitable match type. The match type should depend on the available data, the need for reach, the risk for poor traffic, and how often such terms can be reviewed. The sixth step is add keyword in small group. Do not launch many untested terms at once. Start with the strongest themes, then review such terms, spend, conversion, and lead quality. The seventh step is record the new keyword. Write down when they are added, why they were added, the source search term, the ad group, and the expected result. So the final step is check the customer journey. The customer should connect with the right ad, offer, landing page, and CTN. Keyword growth is successful when it creates more control, not only a longer keyword list. Use a real search data, check business value, and add keyword in small group. Expert may also score keyword before testing them. So this is another slide. This is my seventh slide of score keyword opportunities. So not every keyword idea should receive the same priority. A simple score can help decide which terms to test first. The first sector is search intent. Does the person look ready to hire or buy? For example, tankless water heater installation near me usually has a stronger buying intent than how does a tankless water heater work. The second factor is service fit. Does the keyword match a service the business offer? Can the company deliver it well and profitability? The third factor is lead quality. Have similar searches created qualified calls, bookings, or good sales stock? The fourth factor is customer value. What is the likely job value, profit, repeat value, or revenue? The fifth factor is current coverage. Is the keyword already controlled well, or does it enter through a general keyword, weak ad, or poor landing page? The sixth factor is landing page readiness. Does the business have a page that supports the service, customer problem, proof, offer, and CTA? If not, the page may need work before paid traffic starts. Let's compare two keywords. The first is general plumber. It may have more searches but also mixed intent, more competition, and less service detail. The second is tankless water heater installation. It may have lower volume or strong intent, higher job value, and a clear customer path. The second keyword may receive a higher score even with a fewer searches. Expert keyword growth focus on profit, customer fit, and page readiness, not a volume alone. You may score each factor from 1 to 5. The best score keyword can receive the fastest budget, new ad, and page work. The best keyword opportunity is not always the most searched term. It is the term with the best mix of intent, value, and readiness. Let's finish with a practical action plan. So here I describe about new keyword action plan. Here is the complete process. Step 1. Review search data often. Check the search term report, search term insight, and lead quality feedback. High spend or new campaign may need more frequent review. Step 2. Find repeated high intent searches. Look for terms that show service demand, urgency, buying intent, or useful customer problem. Step 3, check lead quality. Do not depend only on click, CTR, or basic conversion. Check whether the search create, qualify leads, appointment, customer, and revenue. Step 4, choose the right action. Decide whether the search should be added to an existing ad group, tested as keyword, move to a new ad group, place in a separate campaign, monitored, or excluded. Step 5, check current coverage. Avoid adding unneeded copies or tiny word changes. The new keyword should give better control and new business value. Step 6, match the ad and page. The new keyword should receive relevant headlines, clear benefit, real proof, matching offer, and right CTA. Step 7, add a small group. Label the new keyword, record the reason, and avoid changing too many things at once. Step 8, measure business result. Review cost per qualified lead, appointment rate, close rate, cost per customer, and customer value. So the final formula is simple. Search term data plus intent check plus lead quality data plus use right structure equal profitable keyword growth. Add a new keyword to campaign better demand, not just more traffic. Find the opportunity, check its value, give it the right journey, and scale after the result are clear. So let's summarize the whole topic. Your first keyword list is not the final version of the campaign. The real customer will continue to show new language, new problem, new service need, and new buying patterns. Same searches may need a new keyword, a focus ad group, a separate campaign, or a stronger landing page. Other may already be covered with more data or need to be excluded. For every possible keyword, ask, does it show buying intent? Does it match the service? Does it create good leads? Is the customer valuable? Does the current structure control it well? Is the landing page ready? Do not add every word change. Do not focus on volume alone. Do not add keyword without improving the customer journey. Profitable keyword growth means finding real customer demand, checking its value and giving it the right keyword, the right ad, the right page, and the right tracking. This is how new keyword help Google ad campaign grow without creating weak clicks, more confusion, and wasted budget. So thank you everyone for joining with me in this presentation. Now, I would love to hear your question. Question may include search term report, new keyword idea, match type, ad group structure, lead quality, or profitable keyword growth. If you have any question on this topic, feel free to ask me in the comment box.